Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a while. This is a first update to what I had. I already have the floor ordered in, but I really wanted to try DC audio out. Level 5, M5 I believe. DC is gonna go into this box. Sticker. That's a beautiful thing. So stick it out and see if I can fit it in here. It's going to be my single sub setup now going forward. I sold my other subs just to do this because I really wanted it. Holy moly, this thing is beautiful. Wow. So let me take it out, put it on top of the box, and we'll examine it. And here it is out of the bag, out of the box. Black DC audio, black on black. It's direct leads. This one's with all the options except for the carbon fiber cap. I didn't care for that. It's got the upgraded SPL neck. This is a beautiful thing. Look at that spider. It's very, very stiff. MWC, got both sides, dual tinsel leads for positive, for negative. DC audio basket. Let's see how this thing looks. Big old magnet. Oh man, this thing is 89 pounds, it says, so it's gonna be a beast trying to get it in here. So this is what I did to my direct leads. I combined them to a 4-gauge wire ferrule, and I picked up these from Home Depot. Supposedly it accommodates 0-gauge or 1/0 or 1-gauge. Here, let's take a look. It says 1/0, but that's not car audio. So I would say 2-gauge, and it does accommodate one of these 4 pretty well. It's the 8-gauge on the other side that I have to be worried about. Since I already had these from 8 gauges, I'm gonna use these. So it's a positive and negative. I'll connect to the ends of these, and thankfully I had a bunch of heat shrink, and that's what I'm gonna use. So let's wire it up. So here's how it looks. Just an 8-gauge, 2 with the 4-gauge ferrule, heat shrinked. It's all right. This is something I picked up, some heat shrink. Got it from AliExpress. It's pretty dang thick, so hopefully it makes a good enough seal. But that's what I'm going to use. Most people use electrical tape. Something to do the same thing on the other side. There it is, and there it is. That far back one is the positive, the one in the front is a negative. So I'm using the purple as a negative. All right, here's how it looks. The heat shrink, that's pretty solid. I don't even think I need electrical tape. We'll just kind of leave it as is and drop it in.